guys, what is going on, and thank you for watching my videos. I'm Stephanie, just in case you did not know. And in today's video we're gonna be doing this beautiful very like a fall, not fall, but like springish type of fallish look. Girl, I don't even know what I want to call this, but it's cute. That's all that matters. So we're gonna be doing this together, and hope you guys really enjoy it. If you want to know how I got this hair, like I said in the beginning of the video when I'm barefaced, there's going to be a card that's going to be listed, and you can click on that and watch how we got this hair. But yeah, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into barefaced Stephanie. Bye guys. Mwah. Oh wait, pause, girl. Did you really think I was going to forget? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. While you're subscribed, there's a bell button that notifies you every time I do an upload rather than just occasionally. And like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think about the video. And until next time, bye guys. Mwah. Hey guys, so it's a new day. It's a beautiful day. Well, it's kind of beautiful day in my neighborhood, but we're gonna persevere. So we're gonna go ahead and install the wig, and I am so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put a wig cap on. And now I'm just gonna take some powder. This is 320. This is 320 from Maybelline, from the Fit Me line. So that powder is taking way too long to come out, so I'm gonna just get some foundation. So here she is, the star of the show. I'm gonna go ahead and just add some powder on the inside of it so we can tint it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on. Okay, hey guys, so I am just popping in, I'm editing the video now and watching it. I realized that I'm so concentrating on like cutting the ear tabs and cutting the lace that I don't actually talk. I'm just like so focused, like can't even breathe, like I'm just so focused. So I wanted to let you know what I was doing. I'm coming in a voiceover mode. So what I'm doing right now is cutting the ear tabs off. And I'm being very careful as far as like what I'm doing is because we all have experienced this, unfortunately. Even like the best of us have experienced it. Even like getting your hair done by a quote unquote professional. I've experienced this where like the ear tabs are just cut too short. So I'm just very focused right now and just making sure that I cut off just enough so that way the ears are sitting comfortably with the wig, because the lace is scratchy. No one likes lace on their ears. It's irritating. So yeah. Whew, stressful. So I'm just cutting off the ear tabs. Like I said, I did one ear. Now I'm just doing the other ear. And we are just, making our way downtown. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut the frontal, like the excess lace, into 4 pieces. I have just noticed that it's easier to actually glue a very fresh lace down in 4s, especially when you're cutting. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm using the Esha new glue that's made with like minerals and stuff. I already have a review on my channel of the glue. It'll be in the cards up above if you want to check that out. But I'm just gluing the lace down. I'm gluing it down in sections, and I use 2 layers of the glue this time. And I am just gluing it down in sections, and then once I use the blow dryer on the cool setting, I am just adding the lace, and then I'm using my rat tail comb to go ahead and actually push the lace into the glue without having the hair getting stuck in the glue. And we're just doing this to all. Well, I did apply the glue in 3 sections, even though I cut it, you know, into 4 sections. But yeah. And you want to just make sure that you're using the comb, a fine tooth comb, to really push the lace in while also combing out the hair, so that way you won't, like I said, have hair in the lace. Well, hair in the glue, I should say. Now, I do this trick just to make sure that my face is not tight, and being pushed back. Alright, so now I'm gonna get an eyebrow razor, and we're gonna go ahead and now I'm gonna go ahead and get an eyebrow razor, and we're gonna go ahead and just razor this off. So I went ahead and zoomed in for you guys so you can see exactly what I am doing. I am just going through and I am just cutting the lace in those, doing section by section, going back and forth to try to make sure that I'm getting the best angle that I can. So I go up and down the section just to make sure that I'm not cutting off too much lace, but I'm also leaving myself enough lace in order to, you know, have that accessibility the next time I wear this wig. And I always use a clamp at the very front just to get those flyaways out the way, so that way they're not being cut off. It's just lace being cut. I can't find my scarf. Okay. Didn't find a scarf, but I found some extra elastic. So like always, we're gonna go ahead and do our brows really quickly. I am still currently using the Dip Brow by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these bad boys on really quickly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes, and I'm using the P. Louise base. This is in the rumor number 2. Boom. Okay, so today we're going to be using 3 palettes. So the first palette that we're going to be using is the 3503 palette. And this is what she's looking like. Going to be starting off with this color right here. Now we're going to go into this color. Next, we're going to go into this deep, dark brown. Okay, now using that same base, we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. So now I'm going to go into the Zulu palette. And we're going to be taking this yellow. So now I'm going to go back into the brown color that we used in the 350 palette, and we're going to blend out these edges. Now we're going to go ahead and take a felt tip line. I'm just going to just draw just a small little line, just really to have the lash pan. We're not really doing anything extravagant today. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put on lashes. These are the lashes that we're gonna be putting on today. Okay, so now we're moving on to the face. Y'all, pause. This song has literally been on repeat in my headphones like the whole entire time I've been doing this. Like, I have to share with you guys. If you didn't know, B Stop the World yet again. She got on the remix of Savage. And y'all, what's crazy is that I actually did not like the original song Savage. Did not like it. It may be because it was just overhyped because of TikTok. I don't know, but I just honestly was just not feeling it. I was not feeling the original version. And every time it came on, it wasn't even in my library. Like, I only have a few songs by Megan Thee Stallion. Like, I'm not the biggest Megan Thee Stallion fan. But y'all should know, anything that has Beyonce's name on it is in my library. I have it. I have, you know, physical copies of CDs. Like, I have it. I am part of the Beehive. I'm a stan. Well, I'm not part of the Beehive that like goes and like, you know, issues death threats to people. That's not me. That's them. But I am a stan through and through, honey child, boo boo. Yes, ma'am. Anyway, back to the regular schedule program. We're gonna go in and work on our face. So the first part that we're gonna be using is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and we're gonna be just putting this all over our face. Now for foundation, the foundation we're gonna be using is the MAC Studio Fix Plus, and I'm in the color NC30. Fucking big booty bitches, big necks. Girl, do you know the song?
Alright, now we're going to go ahead and highlight and contour. So I'm using Coconut by Maybelline as the contour color, and then we're using Light from Tarte in their Shape Tape line to highlight. Now, as always, you want to always brush upward when it comes to darker colors, because you never want to actually help gravity pulling your face down. Now we're going to go in with a Morphe setting powder. And I'm just setting everything. Now we're going to go into an oldie but a goodie. And then now we're gonna go into Tawny Mommy. Now we're going back in with the powder, and I'm gonna add some extra powder right underneath my eyes because I'm about to add some color to underneath our what is this? I don't know what it's called. I don't know anatomy. The lower lash line. There we go. So now I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills with the Lisa Ashley palette, and we're going to be taking Dream It right here. And then now from the Manny MUA collab, we're going to be taking Nova. Now I'm going to be adding some mascara. This is from It Cosmetics. This is their blowout lash. So for lipstick, we're going to go in with Cranberry Stiletto, the lip whirl from Beauty Bakery. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my hair and then slow-mos. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Hope you guys truly enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.